Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a laundry video, just washing, folding, drying. I did do a load of, I call them delicates, but it's more or less just clothes I don't like to dry in the dryer, and I just hang up to dry on my little hangy do-jobby thing. Still not quite sure what it's called. But yeah, so, do all the nice things, go down and hit the subscribe button and like the video, and definitely go follow me on Instagram, because the holiday season is coming and there's going to be lots of content over there, behind the scenes, me decorating, just all the fun things that happen during the holiday season. So if you want to see any of that, definitely go over there, and you'll be able to see those types of things over there. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, ring the little bell, so that you get notified every time I upload a video, because it has kind of been sporadic. I've been trying to be consistent, but things have been a little crazy with just everything. Gotta love being an adult. But yeah, let's just get on into the video.
light is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right.
Alright guys, that is all for today's video. Again, I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it's probably wasn't a whole lot, but I had a bit of laundry to do, so I thought I would just share it with you. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!